Hi again, algebra students. Mr. O back with more point slope, linear functions. This time we're going to look at a graph and we're going to figure out what the equation of the graph is. So we've got our graph, we've got our 2 points already located, and the first thing we need to do is find the slope. And that just simply means how do we get from the first point to the second point. So the first thing we've got to do is I see a vertical change where I've shifted up 3 units and then shifted to the right 1 unit. So my slope m equals 3 over 1, and if we simplify that, that equals 3. Now the second thing we need to do is we just need to pick a point. And either point doesn't matter. We might go ahead and do 2 just to show off what that would look like. So you have both correct answers. So this first point is going to be located at 1, -2. The second point is located at 2, 1. So if we're looking at the two different ones, so we've got y minus y1, and I'm going to do both of them simultaneously so that you can see what happens. So y minus, the y in the first point would be a -2, so we change the sign, plus 2. And then we have the y in the second point being a 1 equals our m3 in both cases, x minus, the x in our first point was a -1, and the x in our second point was -2. So whichever way you decide to do it, if you want to go with the first point or go with the second point, neither way is wrong. So both are equally correct, and don't overthink it. Don't get too confused about it. The biggest issue, the trickiest issue, there are 2. One is making sure you have the proper sign, plus or minus, because the sign switches, and the other is just making sure you don't get caught in the trap of, oh, I put the numbers in the wrong place. I put the x where my y was supposed to go, and vice versa. So good luck with this, guys, and I hope you find success.